GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. It is a visual way to interact with computers using windows, icons, and menus instead of typing text commands. Think of it as the friendly face of your computer that lets you point, click, and navigate using pictures and buttons rather than memorizing complex commands. Graphical user interfaces have four main characteristics. First, they are user-friendly, meaning anyone can use them intuitively without special training. Second, they are window-based, allowing you to open multiple windows and work on different tasks at the same time. Third, they use visual elements like icons, buttons, and graphics instead of text commands. Fourth, they are interactive, giving you immediate feedback whenever you click or type something. Every GUI has three core components. Windows are rectangular boxes that display information and let you work with applications. Icons are small pictures that represent files, folders, and programs. Menus are lists of commands organized in a logical way that you can click to perform different actions. Together, these three elements make up the basic building blocks of any graphical interface. Common GUI elements include buttons that you click to perform actions. Text fields let you type information. Checkboxes allow you to select multiple options at once. Radio buttons let you choose only one option from a group. Drop-downs are collapsible lists that save space on the screen. Sliders let you select a value by dragging them left or right. All these elements work together to create an intuitive user experience. Graphical user interfaces have three main advantages. First, they are accessible to everyone because their visual nature is easy to understand, even for people without technical knowledge. Second, they are efficient, allowing you to complete tasks faster compared to typing commands. Third, they support multitasking, meaning you can have multiple applications open in different windows and switch between them easily. However, GUIs do have some drawbacks. First, they are resource-intensive, meaning they require more computer memory and processing power compared to text-based systems. Second, they have limited automation capabilities, making it harder to automate repetitive tasks automatically. Third, experienced power users sometimes find command-line interfaces faster because they can type commands directly without navigating through menus. Graphical user interfaces are everywhere today. Windows operating system uses a start menu and taskbar. Apple's macOS features a dock at the bottom and a menu bar at the top. Linux desktop environments like GNOME and KDE offer similar visual interfaces. Mobile operating systems like iOS and Android have GUI interfaces with app icons, touchscreen navigation, and notifications. All of these are examples of GUIs in everyday use. Remember these key points about GUIs. They make computing accessible to regular people through visual interaction. Windows, icons, and menus are the foundation of modern user interfaces. GUIs support multitasking and help you manage tasks intuitively. However, there are trade-offs between user accessibility and the amount of computer resources they consume. Understanding GUIs helps you appreciate the technology you use every day.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.